Welcome to the project demonstration of Smart Travel Assistant System with help of RFID and Raspberry Pi along with email alerts. So here we are demonstrating the project with 10 student RFID tags and one unauthorized tag and one prepaid tag. So here coming to the student tags, there is a limitation for the student's bus pass. So when they are showing a tag, the system will check with the at which bus stop we are crossing and whether it is unauthorized or authorized bus stop for the student tags. Coming to the prepaid tag, so when we show the tag, it will capture the tag number along with the stop number. When the person is get down from the bus, then you need to show the tag again. Then the system will check the bus stop number and subtract the amounts for this travel distance. And the tag comes with 500 rupees initially. So we can recharge the particular tag with the help of this button. So to recharge that, the procedure is we need to hold this button and show the tag. Then on LCD display it will show that the card was recharged with the 500 rupees and the remaining balance will be displayed on the LCD screen. So the whole system run by this Raspberry Pi 0W and it will come with a 16 GB memory card. Initially the very first setup is we need to load the Raspbian OS inside this. That's a Buster version OS, and then after we need to install the related modules for the keypad and LCD. After installation of these modules, then we need to write the code in Python language for reading the RFID tags and controlling the output modules. So in our project, main input modules are like RFID reader and control buttons. So control button 1, this below one is for recharge, and above one is we need to send the email. So what is the email? The email consists of total data log of the so-called students step in and step out of the bus. These are the details will be mailed to the registered email ID. So these two are the inputs and output and keypad also. So that driver has to select the stop which is going to be crossed or at which stop is present now. So then we are demonstrating with 6 stops and 5 stops for the permission granted, means authorized bus stops for the students, and 6th stop is unauthorized one. And if we get down the bus at the 6th stop also, just it will announce that unauthorized bus stop, so remaining fare will be collected by the conductor from the respective student. So coming to the interfacing connections, RFID interfaced at the pin number 15th, that's the receiving pin of our Pi 0W. And coming to the API 333 voice module, we have interfaced that 2, 3, 4 and 25, 8, 7 pins of our Raspberry Pi 0W, and again 14 and 18 pins. So 8 pins are connected to the API 3383 voice module. LCD at pin number 17, 27, 22, 9, 10, 11 pins, and 4x4 matrix keypad interface at the 5, 6, 13, 19, 26, 21, 20, 16. So these are the main interfacing connections, and these two control buttons are at pin number 23 and 24 pins. So these are the pin configuration for the input and output modules. Coming to the API 3383 voice module, which is of API 3383 nothing but audio playback recorder. So means we need to record the voices predefined at the 8 locations, and when we are trigger the respective pin, the recorded voice will be announced from the respective pin directly. So let us see demonstration. Before demonstration step, we need to enable the hotspot in our phone. So why? Because we need to provide the data service for the Raspberry Pi. By using that only the system can send the emails. So these are the previous emails we have received while testing. Right. So like this, it consists of the respective tag number, so-called student in or out at stop 1 and date and time. So these are the details we have done, and now we need to enable the hotspots. For that, go to hotspot settings of your phone, change the hotspot name to, configure that to project 5850 without any space, without any capital letter, password 129, and band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After this, on the hotspots along with data, and now on the power supply to this kit. It will take 20 to 30 seconds for booting. On successfully booting, we can see the welcome message on the LCD screen, as well as one device will be connected in this one. So as we know that the operating system need basic time for booting. Then after it start checking with the programming. Once the program was found, it will execute that. The first step in our program is welcome message displayed on the LCD screen, and then after it start reading input from the keypad. We can see the welcome message, and then after we can see the Raspberry Pi is connected. So if initially it is not connected, just you can restart that and check the power supply properly. Now when it shows the show tag, then only we need to show the tag. So now the bus will start. So now announce that.
Stop number 1.
Okay, stop number 1. On LCD display we can see that the respective stop numbers. And now coming to the tag showing. So when you show the tag, the LED will blinks. You can see that. So blinks, it's a valid of talk grade was done successfully, and the student 1 is in, and student 2. And let's the prepaid customer tag entered. So as we discussed, the limitation is going to be the 9 passengers. When it's above that, so let's go to the stop number 3.
Stop number 3.
So if you show the tag before it's showing the tag, show the tag, so then it will display as a unregistered tag. So we can check with the unregistered tag also. So it's the unregistered tag. So when it reaches the count of 10, then automatically
Bus filled with maximum passengers.
so let us go to the stop number 6.
Stop number 6.
So now let one
Bus
student
filled
come out,
with maximum passengers. Unauthorized bus stop.
because 6th stop is not access for the students. And let us check with the prepaid card customer. So now, so 75 rupees for the travel distance fare, and the remaining balance is 425. So if you want to recharge that, press and hold this button and show the tag. So 500 rupees recharge successfully, and money was added to this tag. Right, now stop 5.
Stop number 5.
So till this, the student pass is valid. So student 7 out. Now when we press the switch, sending mail, so once the mail is sent successfully, then the system will display the right. So we got the email. So these are the details. Till now we have got the logged one. Right.